we are going to learn some basic stuff. Not too scary, but really necessary. Yeah. So in every language, when you see somebody, you're going to greet them. Yeah. In German, we call that Begrüßung. We are not going to type that here. I don't want to scare you guys. So it is called, the greeting is in German, it is called Begrüßung. It consists of all the greetings. Verabschieden means all the goodbye, see you later, all those things. We are going to learn just the necessary stuff. Yeah. So we have hi, hello in English. Yeah. In German will be it's just same as English. Hello. Yeah, I'll type it out. Yeah, we have hello, Hello. In German, it's just a slight change. Yeah, we are going to say it as hallo, Hallo. Yeah, hallo, hello. That will be hello. Yeah, just that change. Hello, hello. Then the most repeated stuff. Yeah, good morning. Yeah, good morning. We say it as guten Morgen. Yeah, guten Morgen. Morning is morgen. Yeah, and good, that is good. Here we say it as guten. Yeah, guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. That is good morning. Then in Germany, the most heard stuff when you reach in Germany, the most recurring thing that you're going to hear is Guten Tag. Yeah, Guten Tag. Guten Tag means good day, not the biscuit. It means good day, as in like have a good day, have a great day. There is also another phrase that says have a great day, that is einen schönen Tag. Yeah. So if you want to wish somebody a great day, like have a great day, you're going to say einen schönen Tag. Yeah. Einen schönen Tag. Einen schönen Tag. Schön means beautiful, yeah, with O umlaut, not the Sean that already says already. That has no O umlaut. That is just SCHON. That means already. This SCHO umlaut means beautiful or pretty, yeah, like you and me. Yes. Then we have Guten Abend. Yeah, we have Guten Abend, which means good evening or good afternoon. Yeah, Guten Abend. Yeah, that means good afternoon. Yeah, and let's say you have a boyfriend or girlfriend who is German and you want to say good night, my lullaby or something. Yeah, so you're going to say Gute Nacht. Yeah, Gute Nacht, not Gute Nacht, it's Gute Nacht. Yeah, there is no N aminta. Yeah, it is just Gute Nacht. Yeah, Gute Nacht. So let's start again from hello. Yeah, okay, so hello, then we have Guten Morgen, then we have Guten Tag, Guten Abend, Gute Nacht. Then let's say goodbye or bye bye. Yeah. So in Germany, there are like two stereotypes, not stereotypes, they're like really formal and informal. They're really into the formal stuff. So there are two different languages within German. Like there is a formal use of the language and also an informal form of the language. Yeah. So everything from verb conjugations to the way of speech, everything changes in a formal tone and an informal tone. Yeah, the informal tone, that is the most common thing that you're going to use, that which will be used with family, friend, sometimes colleagues. Yeah, if you're really close with them. So that is the most common thing. Yeah, like the most basic stuff. Yeah, then es gibt eine formale. Yeah, that is the C form. Yeah, the most formal stuff, which you will be reciting all the textbook stuff that you learn here. Yeah, so that is the most easiest one to say because it has no verb conjugation. You can use the verb as it is. So most people prefer to use C form instead of do form. That is the informal form. We call it as a do form, and the C form, that is the formal one. That is much easier. Yeah, but you use that only with really higher persons like your boss or your chef, yeah, chef oder Chefin, yeah, and with your Eltern, your parents, your teachers, your higher officials, police officers, yeah, whoever that you do not know. With them, you will be using your formal language. Only with the people you know, you're going to use your du form. Yeah. The reason for me to tell you that now is because there are two forms of saying goodbye in German. Yeah. There is a formal way and an informal way. So first, let's look at the formal way. Yeah. So formal goodbye. So formal goodbye, you can say auf Wiedersehen. If that person, you're seeing him or he's right in front of you, you can say auf Wiedersehen. Yeah. Or if you're in a call or like in a video chat or something, you can say auf Wiederhören. Yeah, sehen. Yeah, sehen means to see. Yeah, auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. See you again. Yeah, Wiedersehen. Oder auf Wiederhören bedeutet, I'll hear from you again. That kind of way. But the meaning is goodbye. Yeah. So auf Wiedersehen, auf Wiedersehen, auf Wiedersehen means goodbye. Yeah. And you say that when you are face to face with somebody. Yeah. You see that person physically. Yeah. And auf Wiederhören. Auf Wiederhören, auf Wiederhören. Yeah. Auf Wiederhören means you're not physically seeing that person. Yeah. It is virtual. You're hearing from the person or you're in a video call or something. Yeah. Then you're going to use auf Wiederhören. Then that is with the formal goodbyes. Then we have informal, the one that you're going to use the most. We have tschüss. Yeah. TCH, umlaut, SS. Tschüss. Yeah. You can say it as like juice, but with a T sound. Tschüss. Yeah. Tschüss. Tschüss means bye. Then we have ciao. CIO. That also means bye. Yeah. Ciao. We say it as ciao ciao. Ciao ciao. Not like the dog. Ciao ciao means bye bye. Yeah. Now you know the basic stuffs. Now you know how you're going to greet somebody, how you're going to escape from somebody and say bye bye, I'll see you later. See you later. Yeah. You're going to say, I'm going to teach you how you can say see you later. Yeah. So see you later. 10 sich später? Nein. That is not how you say see you later. You're going to say bis bald. Yeah. Till later. Till then. Yeah. Bis bald. Like the bald guy, you're going to use bis bald. Yeah. Bis bald. So I want to say see you on Monday. Yeah. Let's say I'm packing up my stuff at Friday evening and I want to tell my colleagues I'll see you on Monday. Yeah. Then we are going to use bis Montag. Yeah. Bis Montag. Yeah. Bis Montag. That will be like see you on Monday. Yeah. So you can use bis. That is our main thing. Yeah. So you can use bis with a specific time or date or day with anything. Yeah. So all you have to remember is bis and which day you want to refer. Okay. So I want to tell bis nächster Montag. Yeah. Till next Monday. I'm going to use nächster Montag and then I'm going to use bis with that. Yeah. Bis nächster Montag. Or I want to say till next month. Yeah. Bis nächster Monat. Yeah. Bis nächster Monat. So that is all the basic stuff that you need. So that's it, guys. Now you know all the really basic stuff. Yeah. Now you know alphabets, numbers, greetings, Verabschieden, like goodbyes, farewells. Yeah. Now you know all the basic stuff. You can go home, you can revise all this and get ready for the next video in which we'll be covering things like self-introduction and W-Frages. Yeah. How we can ask a question and self-introduction. So, bis später. Bis nächster Video. Schreib's in die Kommentare. Ciao.